Here's a nice animation trick that might come in handy in the future. Let's say you want your camera to follow an object and then transition to another object. If you use parent, you can't set keyframes to switch between two objects. Well, yes, you can use parent, but you'd have to perform two separate rendering animations. To make it into one seamless animation, the trick is to use a copy location constraint. This is what you need to do. First, let's create the scene. So, of course, we need to add a plane. Let's make it really huge. Then, since we don't delete the default cube, let's just reuse it and turn it into a sphere. So let's use whole numbers and add a division modifier. How about that? And then apply. Make it shade smooth. Okay, that's good. We have a good sphere. Then we add the Q stick. We have the cue ball. We need the Q stick. Cylinder. Make it about 10. No, it's too thin. 20. And then 1K, rotate 90 degrees on the. There you go. There you go. Maybe let's just apply scales. Apply rotation. Make it rotate about. Oh wait, was it Z? No, it's Y axis. Make it a bit something up a bit and like that. Okay. Now we need to, since we're going to use copy location, we're gonna have to. Oh wait, what did I do? Cursor to selected. We're gonna have to set the object origin of this one to here. So set the origin to, so that when we use copy location and we transition between the two, it doesn't jump too far because we need to use offset. Anyway, we'll come to that. So we need a form of animation, so we'll need to use physics. Let's just move the whole thing about like that, so we have plenty of space to move around. There you go. Then let's make this one. Let's apply a quick physics on it. This one's passive. Let's make it the sensitivity 0 margin. Let's make this one rigid body active. Let's make it 0 collision. This one also rigid body active 0 and animated. Yeah, and then we animate this one. So let's pull this one up a bit. We could use move X like that. Yeah, I think it's not good that. Let's just make it flat for now and just use an empty to rotate it later. For now, that's good enough. Do we have the origin at the. Let's just reset it like that. Okay, now let's perform the recording of the animation. 1, 2. There you go. Let's preview if it's good. Oh, dang. Okay, now let's set up the camera. Let's set up the camera. I think somewhere around here is good. Control Alt 0. Oh wait, where's my mouse? There you go. And then select the camera. Let's add the constraint. Copy location twice, because one is when we are moving with the cue ball and offset, and the other one when we're moving with the cue ball and offset. And then for the first few animation. Wait. Kinda forgot to bake the animation. Dang. Undo. Let's undo. Let's make sure it works again. There you go. Go back. Go to scene properties. Rigid body. Caching. Bake. We need to bake the animation first. There you go. Now let's do the copy location constraint again. Let's do some preview. Whoop, it's moving. Okay. Oh dang. I haven't actually changed the influence, but it already moved almost the way we want it, but we can do better. So yeah, since we're here, let's fix it a bit. Okay, let's move it somewhere like that. Now we need to find the exact time the transfer would occur. So I think we should, so between here. So from this frame, we need to like insert keyframe here and here, and then the moment it hits the ball, we need to like set this one to 0, keyframe it, set to 1, keyframe it, so that let's view it from the camera, so that the moment it hits the ball, it travels with the ball. 1, 2, hit, like that. So yeah, that's basically it. Pretty much the only thing you need to do, because the first part of the video is mostly setting up the scene, and mostly the actual magic is just the copy location, just making sure you make, the pointers are, you need to make the origin very close to this one, not necessarily same position as the cue ball, just close enough so that when you transition, when the influence switches between the cue stick into the cue ball, the transition offset doesn't like jump around too far. So yeah, that's about it. Not really a very complicated thing to set up. Once again, let's double check. Just copy location for the cue stick, copy location for the cue ball. Enable the offsets and you're good to go. And that's how you move your camera between two objects. Thanks for watching. Bye!